going to show a short video on the Aztech Calli 2.0 portable toilet station. So we know Aldo for a few years, and he has been working hard on developing a portable toilet. He is the founder of Aztech Sustainable Sanitation, has been researching, building, and developing solutions for the last 4 years in 31 countries. Thanks to funding from Clifbar, he has finished the second version of the Calli Portable Toilet prototype, which treats human excreta with solar thermal energy and produces potable water and enriched biochar. He has written a book called Swimming for Toilets, where he narrates the journey of swimming across the Strait of Gibraltar to fundraise the construction of compost toilets in Mexico. When not thinking about waste, shit, as Aldo says, he can be found swimming, cycling, and running around the world. And that's very true, running around the world. So, okay. Is it working?
All right, so yeah, can you see that?
Yes.
So that's a huge Fresnel lens in the back, and then I'm doing bottom separation as I learned from working with eco toilets that bottom separation seems to be the best. And I have a system of augers, conveyors in the back to do the dehydration of the feces. And then, so first is dehydration with augers, and then a Fresnel lens to do a biocharing. And then on the top, you can see that I'm using copper coil to raise the temperature of the urine to 50 degrees Celsius. That's what I've been getting here in California. And then I'm using a heat exchanger to transfer the heat from the boiling of the urine to then step up to 200 degrees. And then in the heat exchanger, so there's the top side and the tube side. That's where I will be doing the condensing. And then I don't know if you can see on the side there of filtration, that's filtering of the condensate. I'm using a activated charcoal and a ceramic filter to filter the condensate and then turn that condensate into potable water. And then I'm going to share my screen to show the quick slide that I have. Can you see?
Is he co-host? Not yet. Keep trying.
Okay, here. Can you see this?
It's coming now. There we go.
Yeah, so this is a simple diagram of what I'm doing. So urine, and then we add magnesium, and then remove struvite, and then it goes to activated charcoal, and then the hydrolyzed warm urine goes to. So this is a simple process that I did to submit to the NASA. They just had another challenge for how to do a better space toilet. And then the brine, what I'm going to do with the brine that's coming from the heat exchanger is I'm going to filter that through the activated charcoal the biochar that I'm producing, and then send that for analysis. So the idea is to when it comes to solids, so dehydrate with the auger, and then biochar with the Fresnel lens, and then parallel to that, just use add magnesium, then remove the struvite, and then send this concentrated urine to be distilled in the copper coil, and then heat exchanger, and then finally brine sent to the activated to the biochar, and then produce urine enriched biochar as per a paper that's out in the literature. And then so the output of the toilet will be urine enriched biochar, drinking water, and then that's it. Urine enriched biochar, and then drinking water. So that's the plan. And then I just went out to the playa, to the desert this weekend to take the toilet for testing. Unfortunately, I couldn't do all the testing that I wanted, that I hoped, because my pump, I have a marine pump, I got a leak, but it's still really good to go out to the desert and then test this toilet. And so I have one more month to finish getting the pump to work, and then getting it so that I can start producing biochar. But so far, I have like one more month to go. If anybody has any questions,